Welcome to Dream Abroad with IELTS. Today we are going to discuss about the IELTS Listening Test Center environment. Let's have a look how it will be. As you enter the test center for giving listening test, you will provide all the requirements for the test like earphones, pen, pencil, eraser, etc. Also, you will get two booklets. One, the question booklet, and the second is answer booklet. On the question booklets, you will have all the questions and instructions for every set of questions that you will have to answer. And the answer booklet will be used at the last 10 minutes of your exam. Listening test will be total 40 minutes. In that first 30 minutes, you will have to listen a pre-recorded audio and simultaneously you need to write the answers on the question booklet. At the end of the test, you will have 10 minutes to transfer your answer from the question booklets to the answer booklet, which will be provided to you. Be very careful when you're doing this because if there are any spelling mistakes or grammatical errors, the answer will be marked as wrong even if the information given is correct and you will lose marks for it. Also, another important point on listening is all the candidate will listen to the pre-recorded audio at the same time. And there will be a set of instructions before the start of each part, and please do remember the audio will be played only once. Other points to remember before the exams are: before the day of the test, check the start time of the test and location of the test center, and make sure you know how to get to the test center on time. If you arrive late to your test, you might not be allowed to participate for the test. Turn off your mobile and other electronic devices. These will be kept outside of the room along with other personal belongings. You cannot bring food or drink into the test room with exception of water in a transparent bottle. You are only allowed to have pencil, pen, your ID and eraser on your desk. The IELTS staff will check your ID upon your arrival and also take a photograph of you before you sit for the test. In some countries, ask to provide finger scan also. Raise your hand to attract the invigilator's attention if you want to ask a question during the test or need to use toilet during the test. When take the listening test, check that you can hear the recording clearly. If you can't, raise your hand and inform the invigilator. After the test, remain in your seat until you have the invigilator's permission to leave the test room. If you want to make a complaint about your test day, you must do this within 1 week of the test date by filling the complaint form. If you requested a special arrangements as a result of a disability or other condition, adjustment will be made for you on the day of your test. So this is it about the IELTS Listening Test Center environment. Thank you for watching and bye bye.